Low-key, say I won't, and I'm buy them boots right now, bro. What's good, fam? Today we back in the stew because we saw these Astroboy boots. Shits are looking humongous and we gotta talk about it. Also, the Supreme teaser's out, so I'm gonna talk about that at the end of the video. But if y'all do end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what y'all would like to see coming soon. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. So first things first, MSCHF is doing it again with the Astroboy boots. They're calling these the BRBs, the Be Right Back joints, the big red boots. And these been taking Instagram by storm, bro. There's memes coming up, which low-key y'all could check out Nori Archives. They got MJ wearing the boots. They calling these shits the boots from Dora. People out here going out sad wearing these shits. Hey, say I won't in the comments and I might fuck around have to buy these shits for the channel. They're finally showing some homage, some love to Astroboy by dropping these big red boots. Low-key, these shits dropping on February 16th for $350. It's basically this all over 3D printed boot and it kind of looks clean. I feel like with the right fit, these shits gonna go crazy, but you can easily this outfit up. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna try and throw some vids on the side right here. These shits are damn near knee-high boots and they're still looking kind of fire. Now MSCHF typically does these outlandish, outrageous looking designs on sneakers and I feel like that's what's making them pop. So why stop now, you feel me? This is probably the best shit I've seen from them in a minute. They dropped the wavy Vans. Those were decent. I honestly would never wear those. Considering that my channel's name is Astro Nori, these Astro boots right here might have to come home with me, bro. I'm just debating that price tag and the fits in my head, but somebody low-key threw these shits on with a pair of jean shorts. The shits were looking kind of fire, bro. You'd almost think these shits were a meme. When I first saw it, I didn't actually think that they were releasing, but once I saw that MSCHF was behind this, it became official almost instantly, considering the fact that this is what they do. They literally released a leg cast as a sneaker, so I don't doubt this, and the fact that they're releasing in a couple days is almost like an impulse buy if I end up going for these. They are looking kind of clean. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Should I buy these or is it a waste of money? It's literally mixed reviews all on Instagram right now, but shit, I think these are looking splendid, you feel me? Shout out to Astroboy getting some love. They deadass dropped the big red boots, bro. They're playing no games. Like, it's almost identical. But as far as the big red boots go, that's pretty much it. February 16th, $350. And you could be walking around with these shits on right here. But aside of the big red boots, we also did have the Supreme teaser released today. And if I must say so myself, that fit might go hard with the big red boots, bro. Let me know in the comments if those go together. The teaser in itself is looking decent, you feel me? Nothing too special. I kind of got to see where they going with this season because it's going to determine where I'm going this season type shit. As far as the teaser goes, it's almost like this circular grid pattern going around it. You got this Supreme box logo going around the bottom as well. Honestly, it's nothing too crazy. Homie looks like he's wearing a pair of Timbs, which like I said before, should be swapped out with the big red boots. But it's nothing too crazy. Supreme is going to be dropping real soon. If y'all are trying to see the actual release dates, I'm going to put the video where I spoke about it right here. But it's low-key around the block, bro. If y'all are excited for Supreme, let me know in the comments. Are you kind of over it? Also, let me know in the comments. Honestly, I'm more excited about these big-ass boots that are going to be coming out. The last bit of news I had for y'all today is the fact that TNF is going to be dropping 2 parts this upcoming season as per usual, and it's confirmed that the first part is going to drop in March. So hey, get your pockets ready because they are going to be coming for those bills real soon. Hopefully it's not some trash, hopefully it's some heat. We gonna have to see. Make sure you stay tuned, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let me know what y'all would like to see coming soon. And hey, I guess this is a quick video, a little intermission before we drop some more heat. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. Low-key, say I won't, and I'm buy them boots right now, bro. Say I won't, for real.